Hey class, welcome to week 3, which is the start of the outline and also the very important thesis sentence, which is also called a thesis statement that you'll be doing in DQ1. Watch the tutorials very closely this week. There's a connection, okay? So what you're going to be doing for week 3, DQ1, is following the tutorial you see below this one to a T, okay? So you don't have to have 100 words for your initial reply on creating your thesis, okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to create this thesis. This thesis sets up your paragraphs in your outline and essay. It's a connection. So follow the tutorials to a T. Follow closely. This is actually not a difficult week. It's actually a very easy week if you watch the tutorials. Trust me on this. When you open up worksheets and you start looking at the worksheets and you're like, whoa, this looks like a lot, it does, but it's really, really easier than the previous weeks. There's a misconception sometimes about this outline. It's a very, very simple outline, and the tutorials lay it out very easy. So please watch the tutorials before you start doing the assignments. I would watch them today if today's Monday. Let's say today's Monday. Watch after watching this. Watch the week 3 tutorial below this on a thesis statement. See if you can do it. Okay. In week and in DQ2, there's the outline tutorial. Watch that too. I didn't put it together in the same DQ1 because there's a lot going on in DQ1 that I want you to focus on. The outline tutorials in DQ2. Okay. Um, just make sure you're doing that. The thesis. Um, you probably, if you remember in week 1 brainstorming worksheet, there's where you created your thesis. You don't use that one necessarily, okay? You have to use all 3 articles that you've been using since week 1 and week 2. You're going to pull your three subtopics from those articles, and you'll see that from the tutorial. So if you created um, 3 subtopic uh, um the 3 subtopics for your thesis, and but you didn't pull them from your articles, you didn't get the ideas from the 3 articles you have, then it's going to be wrong. Then you're going to be like, my gosh, my articles don't match my thesis. Exactly. That's why you should have 1 subtopic per article. You have 3 articles, subtopic 1 from 1 article, subtopic 2 from 2 articles, subtopic 3 from the 3rd article. This may not make sense right now, and if it doesn't, don't be worried. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to try and confuse you here, but if you watch the other tutorials, you'll see what I'm talking about. So it's very important to watch them. The outline itself is basically known as the skeleton of the essay. I'm going to reiterate myself quite a bit. No quoting allowed. No quoting. You have to paraphrase and still cite. Even though you write a quote or you take something from the article and write it in your own words, you do not own the information. Okay, you still got it from the researcher. If Salcido wrote an article in 2017 and you took a quote from that article and you put it in your own words, Salcido still own the information. You're just putting it in your own words. Okay, plagiarism isn't just quoting and not citing, it's paraphrasing and not citing, because you're basically saying, I did this study. So to save any confusion, it's write it in your own words and cite. Okay. We went over citing in week 2. Look at your grade for that one in week 2 DQ2 to see if you got your post correct. Read the information in your grade book, and if you have questions, let me know in the private forum. Okay. Again, I'm going to reiterate this again. This week's assignment's actually very simple if you follow the tutorials. Like all the other weeks, it just takes a little bit of game time, time management planning, just to organize these um, assignments to get them done. And you can chip away at them as you go. Okay. Your participation though does still have to be 150 words, but your initial DQ is a thesis statement. By the way, that's it. That's all I have. Hope you have a good week. If you have questions, please let me know.